Evaluating limits and introduction. An important idea here may be that any number multiplied by 0 is 0, but I'm going to introduce with these two examples of limits. So a limit is, imagine what's the value that the expression would approach if the input value was the limit value or very close to it. So in some cases you might be able to substitute in the limit value. So in the first expression, can you substitute in 0 instead of x, and will it work? If it doesn't work, what you could do is substitute a number very close to the limit value. So instead of 0, maybe 0.0001, or instead of the number 2 in the second example, maybe something like 1.999. If the input value does work, however, we'll try that. So let's look at these two examples in detail now. So in this first example, there seems no reason why I couldn't just input 0 instead of x. So if I input 0 instead of x, this gives me 1 over 3. So that's the answer. That's the limit. In the second example, I might like to try input 2 instead of x, but I notice in the denominator, if I did that, I would have 0 as a denominator, and you can't have 0 as a denominator, so I can't do this. I need a new tactic. So I'm going to see if I can factorize the top, the numerator, and see if the denominator divides into it. So when I factorize the top, I see I get x plus 3 times x minus 2. But since I have x minus 2 as the denominator, this divides in, giving 1. So the answer becomes x plus 3. So then I just have to get the limit of x plus 3 when x approaches 2, and I can sub 2 in the value here. So that becomes 2 plus 3, which is 5. So 5 is my solution.